Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Gallagher at Serrano. I am here to introduce to you our new remote learning platform called Canvas. This here is an example of your home page. Your student will have access to all of their courses and be able to pull those up and open those classes one by one. This here shows you, for example, that students will be getting announcements from their teachers. They will be able to navigate here over on the left through various links to different items. They will be able to see a to-do list on the right, which will help hold them accountable as to what is due at any particular time. If they scroll on down to the bottom, there will be another place for them to kind of have a summary of the course and all assignments that are upcoming or due. So they'll be able to click on them and make sure that they're staying on track with what they need to get done. They may also find that they have links to Snowline website, Serrano website, getting started with Canvas. They'll have access to 24/7 technical help, access to the Snowline calendar. They'll be able to click and go directly to their course website. Their course website that their teachers have set up may look very different from this. There's many different ways that a teacher may set this up, but most of the time on a teacher's webpage, they will have an introduction to how to contact them through the inbox in Canvas. They may have a link that takes them to announcements so that students don't miss announcements. They may have a link that takes them to the day's announcements. So it might be the day's lecture, it might be an introduction, it might be just something quick.
We're looking forward to seeing you back at Serrano. Meanwhile, enjoy the rest of your summer.
Now, they will also be able to go directly to the modules. Now, the module is where the instruction is taking place. I'm going to scroll down here to week 1 module. Week 1 module, for example, would be my assignments that I would be giving the student for the week. If they start, and again, this may look a little bit different for each teacher, but it will be basically the same, where the teacher will give their assignments for the week. I've linked mine to each of the assignments so that the students can go to each of these assignments within this one document. Otherwise, students may go right back to the module itself, and they may also have, these are all the assignments that I have listed that I have hyperlinked within my week's lesson. So the students can also access those assignments individually here as well. The teachers may also have set up something in which the students, whatever they have for that unit, their chapter notes, the lecture, PowerPoint, Google Slides, maybe the lecture or online podcast, any review materials, those can all be embedded inside Canvas so the students can easily find whatever it is that they are looking for. Okay. If I go back to this page here again, modules really quick. Like I said, the assignments are all embedded directly within Canvas so that the students can find them. They may be participating in lectures with their classmates and their teacher. It may involve watching a podcast. It may involve discussion questions, peer feedback, but students will be able to click in that either through the teacher's assignments or through the menu here on the left. So there's multiple ways to get to the same assignment. Students may also be taking quizzes through Canvas, and there's a variety of different ways that may look as well. But it'll be pretty simple because students can click on those examinations. I'll give you a quick preview. Those questions will be set up for them. And again, they will just answer those questions, and then it will automatically submit their answers to their teacher through Canvas, and the teacher will be able to give them some feedback. Students, depending on what's going on in the classroom, again, they may be participating in a number of other learning activities, and their instructor will give them much more information on that as the semester progresses. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you got something. If you have any questions, please reach out, and enjoy the rest of your summer.